Hi guys, welcome to Creative Sensei, and today we're gonna see how you can fix the by not recognized error. So let's start. So first open the Visual Studio Code, and then I just created a demo file. Like random, you can create any name, and just write a simple code to print a sentence. Let's run it. So here's the error file not recognized, but if you are facing another error like gcc by not recognized, so you can check out my previous video on how to install Visual Studio Code. So that's how you can fix it. Before you can check my code is correct, there is no error in the code. So what is the problem? So there is a format setting for every specific language in the VS Code. For example, I have C++ code, so now I need to rename the file into .cpp, HTML.cpp, else run it again, and here it is.